Welcome back, and today we're going to do a will it run on my new $50 8 horsepower Briggs & Stratton Flathead. Now the guy said that this has been sitting for 4 to 5 years and he never used it, so let's see if it has spark and we'll go from there. See what this plug looks like. Don't look bad. Let's see if we have some spark. Woohoo, 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 woohoo. Woo, woo. I couldn't see it on the spark plug, but I could feel it through this. Jesus Christ. Oh Lord. Oh, there it is. You can see it. Alright, so let's get the air filter off. Let's see if we can throw some starter fluid and see if we get it to pop off. Check that it has oil in it. It's nasty. What is under door number 1? Oh, the air filter actually doesn't look bad. Normally they look way worse. So I don't know what this came off of. I don't know if it came off a tiller, or old power washer, some water pump. I don't have the slightest idea. I'm thinking maybe a tiller. But this filter does not look, it doesn't look bad at all. Most times they look terrible. It actually looks good going into the carburetor. But it's good and rusty inside that tank. So I will not be putting gas in there right now. We have brake cleaner, but it'll serve the same purpose. Alright, let's see. Oh, it's dripping out the bottom. Where is it dripping out of? Oh, it's like a little water drain right there, so water and stuff doesn't get to the carburetor if it goes through the filter. That's pretty neat. Not helping my purpose out, because I want this to go to the car. Let's see if it spits. Why be damn? It spit out all sorts of shit. Well, I'll be damn if the joker didn't spit right off. First time, and it kicked right over. Damn. Alright, well, we know it runs. It sounds pretty damn good. It sounds healthy. Sounds strong as hell. Hell. It runs. It kicked off. So we know it runs, so fire basically supplied with fuel, and it's gonna keep running. So I am stoked about that. Like I said, the inside of this tank is rusty and crusty, so I'm not putting any gas, any fuel in there at all. So, and just for anybody who wanted to know, this is a model number, what is that, 90432 type 2815-01. So I try to see what year and everything, but she popped right over. Like I said, the guy said he hadn't ran this, it had it 5 years. Never tried to run it because he never rebuilt the carburetor. But I'm gonna go ahead and tell you this now. What this is going on is not gonna have this tank, this carb, or this muffler.